everyone, welcome back to our science experiment.
Today we're going to make Gooblek.
Woo!
What you're going to need today is cornstarch, some water,
And a pan and spoon to put this stuff in. Alright. So first we're going to take 3/4 cup of cornstarch and put it in the pan.
When you're done putting cornstarch in, you might want to put on some gloves for the next part. So then you're going to put in 125 milliliters of water.
Alright, now you're going to pour it in and then you're going to take your spoon and mix it all up so that it's all evenly mixed together. So I'm grabbing my spoon and just going to mix it all up. And you can add more water or cornstarch if you need to. Ours is a little thick, so we're going to add more water. Now we're just adjusting our Gooblek by adding more cornstarch and water as needed to create the perfect consistency. We are adding more cornstarch because the Gooblek should be thick enough to form a ball by rolling it with your palms.
We've also found that it might be easier to use your hands. But when you're done, your Gooblek should be pretty easily made into a ball.
It kind of looks like a liquid, but it kind of looks like a solid at the same time.
Yeah, and it's dry and wet, so you're going to have to decide what you think it is.
Vi will tell us how this all works.
How does it work with Via?
Hello everyone, it's Via here today, and I get the chance to explain how Gooblek works, so let me see. So how does it work? You just suspend a solid, in this case cornstarch, in a liquid, so the suspension you create acts as both a liquid and a solid. Mixing cornstarch and water spaces the starch grains evenly throughout the water. When you move the Gooblek slowly, the grains have time to keep their even spacing, and the Gooblek flows like a liquid. Like this. When you move the Gooblek quickly by rolling or squeezing, the grains jam together like this, and the Gooblek acts as a solid. So it's more of a,
When you're done with your Gooblek, make sure to throw it down the trash can because it will clog up your drain.
And we hope to see you next week for our next science video.
Bye!